In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js and set up the Claude command line tool on Windows. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Node.js website. On the homepage, click Download, then choose the Windows Installer option. This will download the installer for your system. Once it's finished downloading, open the installer and follow the prompts to complete the setup. The default options are fine for most users. When that's done, Node.js and npm will be available on your computer. Next, go to the Claude website. From there, navigate to the Claude code section, then open the advanced installation page. Scroll down until you find the standard installation area. You'll see a command provided there for installing the tool. Highlight that command and copy it to your clipboard. We'll use it in a moment. Now open the Windows search bar and type command prompt. Click to open it. To confirm Node.js installed correctly, type node-v and press enter. You should see a version number appear. That confirms Node.js is ready to use. With that confirmed, paste the command you copied from the standard installation section right into the command prompt, then press enter. This will install the Claude command line tool on your system. Give it a moment to finish. After the installation completes, open File Explorer, create a new folder by right-clicking in the location where you want it, selecting New Folder, and giving it a clear name you'll remember. Open that folder. In the top address bar of File Explorer, click once to highlight the path, type cmd, and press enter. This quick trick opens a command prompt window that's already pointed to your new folder. In this command prompt, type Claude and press enter. If you're prompted with a security or confirmation message, choose yes and continue. Then type /login and press enter. This will start the login flow so the tool can connect to your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete sign-in. To use Claude Code fully, you'll need an active subscription associated with your account. If you don't have one yet, complete the purchase on the provider's site and then return to the tool once your subscription is active. That's it. You've downloaded Node.js, confirmed the installation, installed the Claude command line tool, created a working folder, launched the tool, and logged in. You're ready to start building with Claude right from your Windows machine.